riding the waves market volatility amidst global uncertainties. GIFT Nifty continues to drift lower on backdrop of two negative catalysts. 1. The sluggish sentiments are on backdrop of Powell's statement that rates to stay higher for longer. Strictly speaking, recent inflation data indicate the Federal Reserve may need more time to feel comfortable lowering interest rates. 2. Latest from Middle East latest suggests Iran's president has warned of a strong response to even the slightest Israeli invasion. Now, the two big positive news. 1. Oil prices fall despite Iran's attack on Israel. Oil prices were falling after crude oil inventories in the US rose by 2.735 million barrels in the week ended 12 April 2024. 2. India likely to see above normal monsoon this year, predicts IMD. Long story short, the consensus suggests a rise in oil prices, a flight to US treasuries, gold and the dollar, and net, a further decline is likely in the stock markets across the globe. Global cues are negative. In Wednesday's trade, FIIs were aggressive sellers to the tune of Rs 4468 crores. DIIs however bought to the tune of Rs 2040 crores. Sentiments for the day is likely to remain risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are suggesting weakening momentum. Fano data suggests the likely trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 21,700 to 22,500 zone. India VIX has shot up towards 12.62 levels. Nifty PCR, 18th April, is at 0.63. Nifty PCR, 25th April, is at 0.87. Nifty outlook, volatility is likely to be the hallmark of the day. Nifty, CMP 2214 rate. Intraday support on Nifty is placed only at 22,000 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 22,300 mark. Range for the day, 22,000 minus 22,300. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 48485. Intraday support is placed at 47,111 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is at 47,900 mark. Range for the day, 47,100 to 47,900. Bias for the day is neutral. This Thursday morning, investors again get a tough wake-up call amidst weak global cues. All eyes will also be on corporate India's Q4 results to trickle in from here on. Thursday, 18th April, Bajaj Auto, HDFC Life, Infi, TV18 BRDCST. Friday, 19th April, HDFC AMC, Heinz Inc, Geofin, Wipro. Saturday, 20th April, HDFC Bank. Meanwhile, Adani infuses 8,339 crore rupees in Ambuja Cements, raises stake to 70.3%. The fund infusion will help Ambuja accelerate its growth ambitions to almost double its existing capacity to 140 million tons per annum by 2028 from 76.1 million tons as of 31st December. All eyes will be on Vodafone Idea's follow-on public offer, which is set to open on 18th April. If successful, this will be India's biggest FPO, surpassing Yes Bank's 15,000 crore rupees share sale in July 2020.